Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can select all clips in Capcut. So we have our timeline here and we would like to select all the clips. So what you're gonna do, basically you just need to use the combination of Ctrl and A, and now all the clips are selected. And with this combination you don't even have to check whether you have clips on the right, because it's gonna select all the clips. You could also just go to the far right and just drag your mouse to the left and make sure you've chosen all of the clips, but I think it's much easier to just use the Ctrl A combination. Also, if you click Ctrl A and you want to deselect something, you just need to hold the Ctrl and click on the certain clip you would like to deselect, and now all the other clips are being selected. Alright, so all in all, this is how to select all clips in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.